These are the value sets we have seen. Total 5 types. Total 6 are there. Out of 5 is mandatory. Okay. So what are those 5? Format only, independent, dependent, table, subset. Okay. So this is how to create. Then where do we use these value sets? We use the value sets in flux fields. We use the value sets in flux field. What is meant by flux field? Flux field is nothing but additional fields we will add to the page. Generally, when you open the page, you will find some fields. Let's say I'm going to open the page called job. Let me open the job page. I open job page. This fields are given by our name, code, and other. This all fields given by Oracle. There is something called context value, nothing but additional fields. So if you want to add 2 fields, let's say country and city. I want to add country and city. Country means a list of countries like this I wanted to provide. This is called value set, right? List of values. This type. Country and city, 2 fields we want to add. Then we will go for descriptive flux. 3 types of flux fields we have. First one we are discussing, descriptive flux. Descriptive flux field, extensible flux field, key flux. 3 different types of flux. So what is definition of flux field? Adding additional fields to the page. Okay. Descriptive flux field is used to add the additional fields to the page. For which page you want to do now? For job. Okay. Open the task. Search the page name job. Job attributes, job family, job offer, job requisition. We know job family, but we don't want to use. Job offer, it comes from recruitment module. Requisition also, it comes from recruitment. That also we don't want. This is what we want. Just we have to edit. Edit means add the fields or disable the fields. That's all we are doing. Edit. Here we will add the segments. Nothing but a fields. 2 fields we want to add. One is country, another one is city. Don't enter the code and the API. It's automatic. Description, enable or disable. Country data type character. Internally it stores in the column called attribute. Additional columns it stores in the database table. And this is what we have done just value set. In this field, field or segment or attribute all are same. In country field, what values you want to display? I want to display the country. Select your values. List of countries will be displayed. Do you want to set any default country? We have IND. That's by default, it should be there. If you want to make this field is mandatory, check this checkbox. If you have 2 fields, low and high, if you want to configure, one is low, another one is high, then we will configure range option. Otherwise, we don't enter. We can set the display size. Definition help text means like this. You are getting some hint type, right? This is called definition. Help text. Instruction help text. If you want to use this in BI reports, we're working with reporting. Select the data from database tables, enable this checkbox BI. So this is how we will go for add one field, means one second. So any doubts here? Going to create another one. Country is done. We are going for city, second field. Default value is not mandatory. All are not mandatory. Two fields we have added successfully. You can set the sequence, which one is first and which one is next. Anytime you can edit and you can go for delete, no problem. So two fields we have added the flux field called job flux field and deploy this. System is going to compile and verify this. It's done. Let's verify. I'm going to open the job. Almost every page we will find this DF. Job, position, grade, location, employee, assignment, flow, departments, everyone. Open the task. You can see that two fields here, HP country and HP city. Whatever label client required and whatever value set client required, that we will. So when I place the cursor, this is a definition help text. You got some underline also, right? What is the meaning of that underline definition? Help text is there about that field. When I place the cursor, you will find instruction help text. Okay, and then go to city here. For this value set, right? Independent and dependent. If I change the country, automatically I can see the value is changed. I cannot see Japan here because that comes in 2025. The start date we set 2025. That's all.